Mahigit 500 Pilipino nagtatrabaho sa Myanmar, kung saan karamihan ay mga professionals. Ayon kay Ambassador Alex Chua, mahalaga para sa Myanmar ang mga Pilipino dahil sa kanilang kontribusyon sa kaunlaran ng bansa. Nagbabalik si Rocky Ignacio.
57 taon na nang mabuo ang diplomatikong relasyon ng Pilipinas at Myanmar na unang kinilala bilang Burma. Ayon kay Philippine Ambassador to Myanmar Alex Chua, inaasahan na mas gaganda pa ang relasyon ng dalawang bansa sa pagdating ni Pangulo Aquino dito.
The Philippines and Myanmar established diplomatic relations on 29th of September 1996. The two countries have maintained close and strong relations for about 57 years now. In recent years, there has been a noticeable increase in the exchange of visits between our officials from the government, parliament, academe, civil society, and business sectors.
Mahigit 500 Pilipino na karamihan ay professionals ang nagtatrabaho sa Myanmar. Malaki ang pagpapahalaga ng mga taga-Myanmar sa mga Pilipino dito dahil sa pagiging bahagi ng kanilang kaunlaran. Pero mas ipinagmamalakian niya ng mga Pilipino dito ang malaking pagbabago sa Pilipinas dahil sa reforma na ipinatupad ng Aquino administration.
The Filipinos have noted with enthusiasm the various accomplishments of President Aquino. Particularly in the recent uplift of our country's economic status through his policies of good governance, transparency, and people empowerment.
Si Monte Palinar, space planner, 3 taon na nagtatrabaho sa Myanmar.
Tatrabaho for a retail group as a space planner. So yung space planner, ang ginagawa for space planning is I'm planning kung ano yung merong space for the store.
Pero puno siya ng pag-asa na makabalik na lang sa bansa para makapagtrabaho lalo pat lumulutang na ang lumalago ekonomiya ng Pilipinas.
Ang nagustuhan ko ngayon yung nagiging known ang Philippines for economic, tumataas tayo, nagiging competitive tayo to other Asian countries. Based sa news na napanood ko, number 3 tayo among the Asian, neighboring Asian countries. Kaya from there, nagkakaroon ng hope na baka may mga Pilipino na hindi na mag-iyang bansa, bumalik sa Pilipinas kasi nagbubong na yung economy ng Pilipinas. Sa katangian ng mga Pinoy, magaling silang mag-adjust eh. Ayun yung pinaka gusto ko sa katangian ng Pinoy. Kasi kahit saan mo sila ipasok, kahit anong industriya pa yan, makakapag-adjust sila at sobrang bilis silang matuto na angat sa ibang countries na nagtatrabaho rin as their foreign workers. Kaya maraming bansa o maraming companies ang gusto ko mo sa mga Pilipino because of their flexibility and their multitasking skills.
Si Jim Torres Abril, Creative Director ng Mango Marketing Services, 3 taon na rin nagtatrabaho sa Myanmar.
Creating ideas for marketing strategies, at the same time managing creative people like graphic designers, copywriters, so on. Working on above the line, below the line marketing, also growing to digital since starting and we're preparing the market for digital marketing. Yeah.
Bukod anya sa mga pagbabago na sa bansa, masaya naman ito sa bagong tourism slogan ng Pilipinas.
I guess the biggest that appealed to me, I guess, is tourism. Is when they had that campaign, More Fun in the Philippines. I think it was a good idea to showcase the country's beauty. At the same time, we have neighboring countries that showcase their islands and all these things. So I think na maganda yung attack nila to try and promote more of the beauty of the country. Also showing that the lifestyle of Filipinos and their personality is just fun, not too seriously at the same time. We can all laugh at things in a matter of difficulties.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Nibido, Myanmar.